Are you eating pomegranates the wrong way? Most people make these 5 common mistakes that could cost them all the health benefits. Watch till the end to avoid these pitfalls and make the most out of this superfruit. Pomegranates are a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They're amazing for your heart, skin, and even your brain. But here's the catch. Eating them the wrong way can waste their benefits or even cause harm. In this video, I'll reveal the 5 most common mistakes people make when eating pomegranates and how to fix them. Let's dive in. 1. Skipping the seeds completely. Many people just drink pomegranate juice and throw away the seeds. Big mistake. The seeds are rich in fiber, which helps digestion and keeps you full longer. So, don't skip them. Eat the seeds with the juice or sprinkle them on salads. 2. Not washing the fruit properly. Pomegranates look clean, but their outer skin can carry dirt and bacteria. Always wash them thoroughly before cutting. This simple step prevents contaminants from transferring to the seeds when you open the fruit. 3. Cutting the fruit the wrong way. If you slice it like an apple, you're crushing the seeds and losing the juice. Instead, cut the crown off, score the sides gently, and break it open by hand. This keeps the seeds intact and juicy. 4. Overeating pomegranates. Yes, they're healthy, but too much of a good thing can backfire. Pomegranates are high in natural sugars and can cause spikes in blood sugar if eaten excessively. Stick to half or 1 fruit a day for balanced nutrition. 5. Ignoring allergies or side effects. Some people are allergic to pomegranates or experience stomach issues, like bloating after eating them. If you feel discomfort, it's best to consult a doctor. Always listen to your body. Now that you know these 5 mistakes, you can enjoy pomegranates the right way and get all their amazing benefits. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with your favorite pomegranate recipe. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips.